So the purpose of the course is to be explore the topics of kinetics and dynamics of machinery in respect to the synthesis of the mechanism in order to accomplish desired motion or tasks, and also the analysis of mechanism in order to determine their rigid body dynamic behavior. Whenever a machine can be run, there are different type of the behavior can be included. Sometimes the behavior under the rotational motion, sometimes the behavior under the translatory motion, sometimes the behavior under the transforming the power. So if we are observe a machine, there are several type of mechanism can be introduced. The mechanism not only about related with the cutting mechanism. This cutting mechanism can be discussed into our part of the manufacturing process. There are several type of the vibration should be occur. There are several type of the balancing are needed due to the vibration. Okay, so there are several type of the constantment of the speed are required. This everything are dependent on to the different type of the mechanism, and all of the mechanism can be discussed on behalf on these subjects. So it having the great utilities of the kinetics and dynamics of machines. Okay, because we will begin with careful definitions of the some terms used in these topics. There are several laws are there are several terms are there. Suppose when are transforming the motion in a machine from one part to the another part, there are using the different type of the gears, there are using the different type of the rope drive, bell drive. So everywhere different type of the mechanism can be utilized. We can learn one by one with the help of this paper. The subject theory of machine may be defined as that branch of engineering science which deals with the study of relative motion between the various part of a machine and forces which are act onto them. So whenever just I am saying to the before into this subject we can study the different type of the relative motion. So whenever a machine can transmit the relative motion from one part to the another part, there are become the part of force which are act onto them, because exactly whenever we can perform any work, we can perform the any useful work, there is an relative with the force are becoming. The knowledge of these subjects is very essential for an engineer in designing the various part of a machine. Next of one, if we have clarified the all content of the kinetics and theory of machine, we can clarify it into the two ways. First ways is that statics, and second ways is that dynamics. Which one are the statics and which one are the dynamics? The statics part are that whenever the machine in rest condition. Suppose you are observing a lathe machine into your workshop. Okay. So what you can observe, sometimes this lathe can be run and sometimes this lathe can be rest in condition. Whenever the lathe can be run, there are several type of relative motions are there are several type of forces are there are several types of vibration should be occur during the cutting operations. So our need is that whenever the machine is run, there are required to prevent this vibration, because we can cut the material with the help of the another material, because workpiece material and cutting tool material in a lathe both are the metallic part. So there are large amount of the vibration should be occur, and we can prevent this vibration. But whenever the machine in rest condition, obviously we are observed that the machine in balanced way, In a morning, if we are observed any day, in a morning we are visit our workshop, one lathe should be fall down into our floor. Never na. It should be balanced way. Okay. Means the balancing are needed not only the running condition, the balancing are also needed whenever a machine is in rest condition. And these rest conditions can be discussed under the part of the static. Whenever the machine in running condition, then the dynamics are becoming. Then this dynamics of machine can be again clarified into the two ways. One is called the kinematics and one is called the kinetics. Which one is kinetics and which one is the kinematics? There are two differences are there. The kinematics, the study of the motion without regard the force. And kinetics, the study of forces on system in motion. That should be the difference between them. The study of motion without regard to force considered as a kinematics. The study of force on system in motion, then it is considered the kinetics. These two concepts are really not physically separable. One principal aim of kinematics is to create, design the desired motion of the subjected to the mechanical part and then mathematically compute the position, velocities, accelerations which those motion will create onto the part. Suppose we are creating a mechanism. There is a no theoretical part. There are several types of the computational parts are there. The computational parts related with the positioning of the parts, velocities and acceleration which those motion will create on the part. Now we are becoming what is a machine and what is a mechanism. There are two terms sir. One is machine and one is mechanism. So we have a brief ideas are required before studying this paper. What is mechanism and what is machine? What is machine? That should be the observed into our workshop. There are several types of machines are there. And what is mechanism? A mechanism is a device which transfer motion to some desirable pattern and typically develop very low force and transmitting little power. But a machine typically contains mechanisms which are designed to provide significant force and transmit the significant power. That should be the difference between a machine and mechanism. A machine can be utilized the different type of the mechanism, but mechanism is a device which transfers the motion to some desirable pattern. Desirable pattern means according our requirement. Suppose if we are observe your lathe machines, sometime we can run this there are several types of the motions are there. Sometimes we are using the rotational motion. If we are observe the chalk having the rotational motion. If we are observing the tool post having the translatory motion. If we are observe the feed mechanism, there is a different type of the motions are there. There are several different type of the motion can be accumulated in a machine and that should be controlled by a mechanism, not a single mechanism. There are different type of the mechanism can be utilized according to the desirable pattern and typically develops the very low force and transmit the little power. That should be the difference between a machines and mechanisms. A useful working definition of a mechanism is a systems of element arranged to transmit motion in a predetermined fashions. Why it is predetermined? Suppose it is whenever we are design a mechanism or prepared a mechanism, we can calculate the everything. How much power can be transmitted by this mechanism? How much vibration can be generated? It should be prevented by the mechanism. It should be prevented by the machine with the help of the other mechanism or not. So there are several computational segments introduced into the mechanism. Then we can generate a mechanism. There are required the sometimes of law, several different types of laws are there. One of the very common mechanism utilized into our shaper and planar, which are commonly known as the quick return mechanism. Why we can introduce this quick return mechanism? In a single word, we know that shaper and planar can be remove the material only the forward stroke. It cannot remove the material into the backward stroke. That's why we have implemented a mechanism. The forward stroke can be taken much more time, but whenever the cutting tool return to its original state or original position, it not performing the cutting operation. So if it is returned back into the short time as compared to the cutting stroke, then we can save the time. As a result, we can increase the productivities. That's why we are generate or design a mechanism known as the quick return mechanism. Into your quick return mechanism, the return stroke can be taken much less time as compared to the cutting stroke because material can be removed only the cutting stroke. In return condition, material cannot be removed. So a useful working definition of mechanism, a system of element arranged to transmit motion in a predetermined fashion. Means everything are predetermined which are human assistants. But on to the other hand, a machine, a system of elements arranged to transmit motion and energy in a predetermined motion. Whenever we are utilizing a machine, our requirement is that we can predetermine what work done can be performed by the machine. According to the work done, we can choose the required mechanism which are much more acceptable for a specific machine. Otherwise, we are not taking this mechanism. So every mechanism having the some output. According to this output, we can choose the mechanism for the specific machine according to the predetermined fashions. Some of the example mechanisms and machines are like that. Look at the diagrams. There is an moves package from an assembly bench to a conveyor. There are several type of the links are there. There are several types of the bar mechanisms are there. With the help of this one, moves package from an assembly bench to a conveyor. Next of one, we are becoming the inverse of mechanism. But before going to the inverse of mechanism, our requirement is that uh, any queries up to this one.